And JD's last.
I go back up. Why the fuck am I holding my bag?
Run. I want all of you guys to come down at the same time. Tiffany, go fast. 2. Well, Mackie, hold this, because I have to call my brother. Who's next?
Why are you scared?
Who's next? I'm scared to go up there. Okay.
I don't want to be a
That's my step.
Come on, JD. And then there were 4. Come on, guys! Come on! Hurry, my camera's gonna die! Hurry up!
Ready?
Run to down! No!
Ready?
jump.
Jump! You would trample, bruh! Hurry up! Hurry, my camera's gonna die! Yay! Come on, JD! Hurry up!
Push her down. Come on, JD.
Go help Tiffany.
Okay.
Come on, JD!
She's scared of heights. I can't even get it. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna slide down. I believe I can fly. Guys, that's not jumping.
Okay, I'm gonna end it!
Good job.
I'm gonna end it!
Ready? Let's get it together.
Ready, set,
Ready.
go!